Hello my beauties, welcome to my channel, welcome to the beauty talk. Today I'll be showing you a very quick January glam, and yeah, it's really going to be quick. So the first thing that you saw, I started spraying my face with a setting spray so that when I apply my foundation, it's much easier to blend, flowing, and easy for me. So as you can see, I just put my foundation and I'm using a brush instead of a beauty blender today because it's quick. I'm rushing to work or you're rushing somewhere, so it's better to use a brush. And the other advantage of a brush is that it doesn't suck too much product, so you are good with a brush. Any brush that you have you can use. Just be smart and see how you can make it work for you. And I start blending, and guys, I love this foundation because it matches my skin tone very well. Like, it is so good. It's caramello. It is so good. So what I'm doing on the other side of my face, obviously I'm gonna do on the other side, but I will show you maybe one side just so that we don't waste each other's time. So yes, the next step, I'll be doing my under eye concealing, highlighting, not concealing, yeah, it's the same, highlighting my under eye. And when you're highlighting your under, you use the cream that, or a concealer that is lighter, 2 shades lighter, or even 1 shade lighter than your skin tone, so that you pop and you look great. So as you can see, I'm blending it. You can use beauty blender, a wet beauty blender. It's very good because it won't take much product when it's wet. So when you don't make it wet, it will take all your foundation, it will take all your products, and you look like you didn't put anything on your face. And we are trying to look good, we are trying to look polished, so you don't want to make those mistakes. The next step, guys, is using contouring. I love this step so much. Every time I do makeup, this is my favorite thing to do because it shapes my face. It makes me look polished, very elegant, very classy. And I always find it makes me look soft. I don't know, other people say it's not good, they don't like it, or it's just hard to do, but contouring is the best. And I'm using a powder, a powder contouring, or contour powder, because I don't want to add too much creams. So there's a cream contour and a powder contour. So I prefer the powder one because it works best for me and it's easy to even apply. So try it. You won't regret. And as you can see now, I am also contouring my nose. I want that sharp nose. Yes. So contouring, guys, actually I think the main thing that makes your face is contouring. Yeah. Okay, the next step is prepping my eyelids for the eyeshadow. So I'm using my concealer. You can use any foundation, you can use a lighter foundation, just to make sure you base you put a base for your eyeshadow so that it pops, because if you don't base, it won't really pop that much. So the following step, I put my eyeshadow. Today I decided to use pink. It's not too much pink, not too much harsh, it's just soft pink. And make sure that you use a proper brush. I'll make another video where I'll show you brushes which you can use to put your eyeshadow. So as you can see, I have applied my eyeshadow and it's soft, it's pink, but you can't really be scared of pink. It's good. And the next step is my brows. I didn't start with my brows lately. I just enjoy doing my foundation first, and then I can even end with my brows because I found a good product, guys. It's a signature soap. I don't know if it's a soap or what, but I'll remember the name. On next video I'll make sure that I remember the name. So I just use that gel or that soap and pull them up. That's it, nothing more. Yeah, and I have a lot of eyebrows, so I don't need to throw them. Guys, this is my hack. What I'm doing now, like I'm concealing my eyebrows with my setting powder, my banana setting powder. It is amazing. We are doing a soft glam, so we don't want too much creams on our face, you know. So this is a setting powder, guys. Try it. It can work wonders for you. So I'm using a flat brush just to make sure that it's clean. I'm cleaning my brows nicely. And yeah, guys, I was I was with my son. It was so hectic shooting this video with him. He just wanted to breastfeed. He wanted, you know, to work with me. But anyway, I enjoyed it. It's fun. It's okay. That's mom life. That's how we roll. We work and we take care of kids, of babies. Yes. And so the next thing I do, I just make sure that I blend my eyeshadow well. I blend it well with everything that's on my eye. Just make sure that it's well blended. And I'll just do a few touch-ups here and there with my eyebrow pencil. Guys, as you saw, I did not draw my eyebrows, so I just pulled it towards the end just to bring it down, you know. Yeah. And my following step is to set my face with my banana powder. It is so good. It is really, really good. I love this powder. And as you can see, I'm also trying to refine my contour, and it's really coming out beautiful. I love it. I'm adding more contour because it was not visible. So after I put that setting powder, I can see that, okay, I need to put more of the contour so that I just look beautiful and elegant, you know. Yes, it's January, guys. And I take the same contouring powder. Why am I saying powder? It's fine, guys, I'll learn. And I go on my forehead and I do that so that you don't look too, you know, your forehead looks good and sculptured and, you know, well, you know, polished also. And I also finished my look by applying a glow. As you can see, I'm shining, I'm blinging. As you can see, it's really beautiful. And I highlight my nose also. As you can see, I didn't really put too much of creamy highlighters or creamy concealers and all those kind of things, because once you contour, other places remain lighter, so there's no need to be putting so much, you know, concealers or, you know, whatever. So contour for me, it's magic in makeup. And the next step is putting or applying eyeliner. Today I'm not doing a wing because it's a simple look. I'm not trying to be dramatic, so I'm just applying that eyeliner. Simple, it just ends where my eye ends, and then I apply my mascara. You can pretty use any kind of mascara that you have, guys. It's not about the product, it's about the technique. It's not about the product as such, it's about the technique. Once you are good with techniques, you can use any product. And then the following thing is to line my lip. When you don't line your lips and to use like a matte lipstick, you look like you're hungry, you look like you drank paraffin and now your mouth is ashy and greaky and grumpy and all sorts of things that we don't want to see. So even if you have a good makeup, but if your lips are, they look like dry or ekare o lapile or something, it's not gonna work. You know, you're not gonna inspire anyone. Everyone's gonna say your makeup looks good, but the lips, but. So we don't want any kinds of buts here, you know. So I lined my lips with a simple eyebrow pencil. I didn't even use a lip liner. Eyebrow pencil, and then I put my matte lipstick. As you can see, I'm blending it. So simple, so nice. and as you can see, it's coming out beautiful. So you can use any kind of lipstick that you want according to how you feel. And guys, can you see how beautiful my face is? And I finish off the look by setting everything with my setting spray. Setting spray makes sure that your face is glowy. All those powdery things you are using powder, remember, they are gone. Guys, that's it. Look how glamorous, how fancy, how elegant, how polished I look. Ah, amazing. Thank you so much for watching.